Morning, everyone, and welcome to week 5 of our online learning. So we are done with the simulation and we are moving on to some additional marketing concepts. So the concept for this week is brand characters. We talked about this in our second unit, but just a reminder that brand characters are any type of character, whether it's an animal or a person, that helps promote a brand. So some of the most iconic brand characters: Tony the Tiger, obviously for Frosted Flakes. Mr. Clean is another really iconic person that is a brand character. So those two are really good examples of brand characters. What you're going to be doing this week is you're going to be finding a business that does not currently have a brand character, which that's very common. Not everyone has capitalized on this brand character idea. So there are tons of businesses out there that do not have one. And then you're going to research that business, decide what the target market is of that business. What would be a brand character that would appeal to that target market? All right, and then in 4 to 6 sentences, you'll answer about why you chose that brand character and why you know it will be effective. So that is your task for this week, and I think it's kind of a fun one. Something we would have done if we were in class maybe would be to draw or design the brand character, but you're just going to describe what your brand character is and why you think it will be effective. All right. The last thing is there is a discussion. What is the role of brand characters? So in marketing, what do brand characters do? Why do companies have brand characters? So talking about brand characters this week, kind of a fun thing. If you do some research, you'd be really surprised. There are some companies out there that maybe had a brand character in the 90s, and then they've went to social media marketing and gone away from it. Kind of an interesting thing. So if you find a company you don't think they have a brand character, be sure you do some research, because they might have had one previously and they've gone away from it. But kind of a fun thing, do some research on, and hope you all have a great week. Be sure to email me if you have any questions, and if you know of anybody looking for something to do, have them check PowerSchool. There's plenty of things out there. Have a great week, everybody.